Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not even going to waste my time talking about how much I miss doing this. So without further ado, let's go catch some fish. This one keeps short striking it, so I'm gonna get something smaller. I'm doing this my own way. Don't judge me. It's gonna work. It's gonna work, fam. Got it. All that for this? Yeah, it was worth it. And my method worked. I would wash it off, but I can't wash it off in this nasty water. But here, it's a good one. Back to business. Alright, we are gonna go on a mini fishing spree. Starting right now. There's like 3 of them just staring at my bait, dude. It's so funny. There's like 10 small fish in here. Oh my god. They're all literally like this small. Alright, I'm gonna catch like 5 of these and then go back to regular fishing. Bro, this hell. That one's biting my line. What the hell? What the? That's wild. Dude, there's like freaking at least 30 fish. I'm not even exaggerating. Okay, that's enough with the small fish. Mini fish sight fishing. Not exciting. Yeah, sometimes you gotta wait, or sometimes they short strike it. Maybe your worm is too big. Try to shrink the worm. Cause if it takes the end of it, you're not gonna be able to hook it. If it likes the worm, I'm about to put it back to the Ned rig.
Is that his tail side or is his head side? Oh, never mind. Sorry. Oh yeah. Oh no.
This is the biggest one of the day, no? It's a good one. Oh my god! Come on! Okay. Ah, that's a big one. Almost dropped it. Woo! Berryessa bassin', baby. Thumbnail or what?
Slap it.
Thumbnail or no?
Big one.
Alright, I'm gonna let it go. Damn, beautiful. Back to its nest it goes. Last fish of the day, baby.